Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. Just like on YouTube, to give your brain some new food. Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, but more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. As you can see, I was trying to give you guys a different scenery because this video has nothing to do with my typical topics, but it was cold, it was noisy, the lighting was bad, and I just decided, well, let me get back to my normal scenery, which is my office, and share the same information. However, just because I already done the footage and you guys might be curious about the reason as to why I abandoned it, I will still insert it at the end of this video with probably a little bit of my scenery. I was out and about and decided, let me inform my subscribers as to an upgrade or an update that I've done. So what I've done earlier this morning was create an ENT Sebas Facebook page, a page that's open publicly to everybody, because in the past some of my subscribers have tried to reach me outside of the platform of YouTube, where we could communicate direct about other issues that has nothing to do with any particular uploaded video. And because I only have Instagram as a substitute platform, most of my subscribers, or some of my subscribers, don't have Instagram, so we've been unable to connect on Instagram./However, my Instagram is here, ENT Sebas, and my Facebook is www.facebook.com/ENT Sebas. It was formerly a page that I monitored and controlled for one of my books, and considering that I'm no longer promoting that book, instead of just deleting that page, I thought, why not change the name and convert it to ENT Sebas? After all, a lot of my followers there not only followed me for the book, but followed me as a person. But now that it's officially an ENT Sebas page, you guys can see more of what I post that I'm unable to post on YouTube. Photos, quotes, writing, more intimate things with me and my life, and so on and so forth. And who knows, we probably could have video conferences, messaging conferences, one-on-one connect. So that's pretty much it for now, people. Hello people, and welcome back. Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, but more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. This is only a quick video. It's cold. This is only a quick video to let you guys know that I have created a Facebook page where you guys can see my postings, because a lot of my subscribers have tried to reach me outside of YouTube, and because I only have Instagram, you can see my Instagram address here. That's one way some of you guys got in touch with me, but most of my subscribers do not have Instagram. But I've learned recently that you guys, most of you, have Facebook, so I've created a Facebook page. It was a former page of mine that promoted one of my book, and I've decided to change it to an ENT Sebas Facebook page. So for all you guys who wants to keep up with me, see what I'm up to, and who wants to communicate with me in a more direct form, you can check it out at www.facebook.com/ENT Sebas. On Facebook, I believe we can do a lot more than we can do on YouTube, because I believe on Facebook we can also do video call, video messaging. So it is also an opportunity for me to get more acquainted with you guys, and it's a faster way for me to get some of your direct questions that you have that has nothing to do with a particular video that I've posted. Like I say, guys, it's really cold. I decided to make this one real quick for you. So as you know, in this channel, I appreciate thumbs up, thumbs down, agreement and disagreement, because at the end of the day, each one teach one. Peace.
Ali, não, mocidinho,